Hey, what's going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. Going to do my swing trade CANSLIM weekly update, show you how great the stocks are working for 2024. Going to be a really great show. Appreciate you guys for coming. Let me log into my Twitter and open up my live stream there. What's up, everybody? Nice to see you here. All right. All right. All right. Any questions, just type them on in. Let's go. Head on over. I'm going to share my screen with you. So right here, we ended Dow Jones Industrial red, down 118. Let me blow this up a little bit. Bink, bink, bink. So 118 on the Dow. This is the Google spreadsheet that all the members for the Swing Trade newsletter get access to. So if you're a member, you can get access to this. And when I make a change, you go into Tools, Notifications, and then you turn on Edit Notifications. So whenever I make a change on the sheet, you'll get an email from Google letting you know there was a change. Really cool. So let's show you what the picks were here. We have closed picks for the month, 19 out of 19 for 100%. Have you heard of any of these picks, guys? These are color-coded according to the newsletter they were in, whatever Sunday newsletter. Each member gets 4 newsletters per month every Sunday evening with up to 4 or 5 picks. Franklin Wireless at $290, sold $355 in 16 days. Helix in 156 days, $10.05. And you see I either sell for the exits a nickel over the 50-cent mark or a nickel over the 55-cent mark. 13.55 on Moulin from 7.90 to go through 8, 2.90 to go through 3, to hold over 2, sold at 2.55, 3.05 on Verisys Systems, BEAT, B-E-A-T, 210 to 255. Core Group did really well, 76 cents, over $1 to $1.25. Imperial Petroleum, 158 to 305. Sphere 3D from 90 cents through $1 to 305, a 238% winner right there for the month. LAES was a big winner on Friday and Thursday. From $1.09 went up 100%. I think it was 255. Lunar did really well. This is out of last week's newsletter, January 7th. There were 3 of them that worked. LUNR and the warrants as well, Luna warrants. So you guys should grab a pen and, keep a watch list on these stocks because they'll come down and then they'll go back up. YCBD is a CBD stock. Patrick Reed, the golfer, is a spokesperson for that. I still think he is. Let me Google it. I don't know if he still is. Let me check it out. Is Patrick Reed still a YCBD sponsor? He is a shareholder. Go Team Reed. Here's a list of his sponsors. See, YCBD. Let's see. Go Team Reed's not even a website. There it is. Sponsors. Go Patrick Reed. Charities. No, it's not a charity anyway. Team Reed. He, back in the day, I've been in this one for a couple of years. Bark, B-A-R-K, iConnect, Elevate did great, 87 to 255, up 193 this month. And Connexa Sports, which does AI for sports, went up a nickel at 25%. So those are pretty good. Got the open ones right here. You can't look at those because you got to be a member. Got to be a member. But I got some new picks coming out tonight. This is the swing trade newsletter from last week, from 9/24. This is my AI one. Artificial intelligence stocks, guys. The only problem with the AI bot is it tends to hallucinate its own picks. What do? Don't join that newsletter. Elastic. I picked it at $79. See it? $79. An AI company. You've never heard of it. Wait till I show you Lemonade. Wait till I show you Lemonade. So this is Elastic. ESTC. I sold it last month. Show you. December. ESTC from 75 to 115. Last month, 20 picks, 19 right. This month, 19 picks, 19 right. Be a member of this newsletter, dude. You'll make more money in this newsletter than you ever freaking will ever. Look at VLCN. Let me just freaking stop because VLCN, dude. Look at VLCN. Let's go to January. Right here. Closed. VLCN. Closed it at 18 cents for 100%. Did you see that thing on Friday? Ripping, man. Ripping on Friday. VLCN. Ripping on Friday. Let me open up my platform. I'll show you. Here's VLCN right here. Making on the daily a little move up on the daily right here. Look at the 5-minute. Here's the 15-minute. Right here. Oh, it tamed down, but look at the rise up right here. Let me show you this rise up. Hold on a second. File, open desktop, YouTube. Look at this, VLCN. Look at the move it made on the 15-minute. So it went from 8 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, where I picked it right in here, 8, 9 cents. Didn't move. All of a sudden, it started to move. The first volume bar came in right here. 5 million shares on that bar. I'm like, whoa, VLCN, guys, VLCN. I put it into the chat room too. Here's the Mojo chat room. You have the swing trade newsletter. This was Friday, guys. Look, January 12th. My swing picks, MDAI, Jet AI, 2 AI picks, NAUVI. Elevate, Lunar, they're all right there. NB Cell, all my picks. INPX also, my pick. Here's MDAI making a big move, going to head over 350 right here. You can see it's going to fill up. This is MDAI up 27% right there. Here's INPX at 6. See it? Boom. INPX 7. Big move it made. Here's VLCN. Look at that move. I'm like, whoa, VLCN, that's my pick. So imagine being in the newsletter and all day long, these stocks making new highs. You have 30% of them that do that are the picks you have because I did the research and you got them from me. That's how it works. You're like, dude, how do I get in? Right there. Annual subscription. Use the coupon code 100 off instead of $149 a month. So instead of paying $149 times 12, I have a January special, which is $17.88. Giving it to you for $49 a month. 49 times 12. $588 minus $1788. You take that $1,200 and you split it 300 into the next 4 picks that I got coming out with tonight. You're on your way to having the best portfolio for 2024 I think you'll ever have. Here's the pick on VLCN. Base breakout volume coming in on 37 million shares at 10 cents right there. Stocks at 20 cents. Picked it last week. 0.75%. Stocks growing from a loss of 8 to a loss of 5 on 6.8 million. Tiny, tiny float. Tiny, tiny float. Give me loves, man. Join up on that newsletter. You won't be mistaken. You will not be mistaken. You will not. That's VLCN on Friday. Pick from last week. So yeah, 19 out of 19 as the LAES from 109 to 205. Made a big move on LAES. Look what LAES did. LAES. So you like here, you're like, oh my God, look, it's the same thing as VLCN. You like down here, all of a sudden, at $1.60 on LAES, volume comes in. You're like, oh my gosh, look, it just went by the high list at $1.8990. Mike says it's going to go through 2. Goes through 2 right here to 250 to 350. That's my pick. Your pick. Right there. That was a good one. YCBD. Moulin, SNES, Franklin. Master sheet. Month by month. Here you go. One loser, all winners. 150%, 144%. Look at this, 258%, 50, 55, 61, 127, 103, 191, 28, 28, 45, 30, 124, all greens. Here you go, 52, 55. Hit OPGN October 1st to October 12th from 40 cents, 38 cents to 405. 965%. Then lost 21, made 36, made 25, 21, and 44. Look at this month. 40, 101, 32, 26, 24, 110, 23, 167, lost 20, lost 20, lost 13, made 58, lost 18, lost 18, lost 21. That's a bad month. Followed by the previous month, though, so it don't matter. 20, 13, 21, 310, 272, 45, 80, 105, 142, 66. Only loser was RDHL. Amazing, right? Look at those results, guys. It's for the year. 974 on GNS from 47 to 505. That's the Swing Trade newsletter. Every month, year by year. Here's the first month I ever did, January of 2012. Let's go back. That's 2016. Here's 2012. Facebook at 25. AMD at 2. AMD's at 200, Facebook's at 1,000. Yeah. Didn't Facebook split? No, I don't think it's Facebook's wherever it is, 300 or whatever. February. April of 2013. They're all here, guys. 12 years, best newsletter in the planet. Here's June of 2016. 88 out of 79 for 11%. July. 47 out of 46 for 18. December. 77, 75, average 17%. Just consistency, man. This is the CANSLIM system of picking stocks. And I'll end it on that, and I'll show you what the CANSLIM is. William J. O'Neill, the editor of the Investor's Business Daily and the #1 book on Wall Street, called How to Make Money in Stocks, a Winning System in Good and Bad Times. He looked at every winning stock in the history of time, and they all had 7 characteristics, guys. I could be a little neater. Look, I'm better than that. Let's go to font size. How about like 70? So CANSLIM, CANSLIM. The C in what he had studied was every winning company that went from 10 to 100. They all had 7 characteristics. This acronym was formed. C stands for current earnings per share. In O'Neill's study, the greatest companies of all time were growing quarter after quarter, 30 to 40%. Mine's a little different. I like higher percentages, 100, 200, 300% growth, quarter after quarter in the current earnings per share, year after year. The A is annual sales. They've got to be the same. Sick ass growth, quarter after quarter, year after year. N, all these companies had something new. What's new about it? Hit a new high, had a new CEO, had a new hot product. Shares outstanding. All of the companies had less than 30 million shares that were available in the float to the public before they made their big moves. I don't like to take elephants for a ride. They're too big and slow. I like to take the cheetahs and the cougars. They're fast as lightning, the smaller ones. The L, is it a leader in its industry? If it is, I'd rather have the leader than the laggard. I is institutional sponsorship. Every one of the companies was owned by mutual funds, banks, institutions. These are the companies and players that move the markets, not us little guys. And M is market movement, market momentum, market direction, industry group. What industry is your stock being picked in? There's 178 industry groups. If you're in industry group number 80, well, not many people looking at industry group 80 compared to industry group number 1 to 25. So if you stay with the market momentum, you'll have winners and be able to pick stocks month after month, year after year, like I have been able to do for 20 years with Mojo Day Trading for 12 years. And here's the master sheet. Every single pick of all time. The average, $5.76 stock. There's 7,000 lines in this Google sheet. 7,000. 2023 greatest picks right here. Take a look. Genius at 974. OPGN CANSLIM at 965, 368, 310, 296, 275. The lowest one, 102% black box. Look at all these hundreds of percent winners, guys. The CANSLIM system is the bomb. And I sell them all pretty much at the same price, 5 cents or 55 cents. So I got new picks coming out tonight. Grab your phone, take a little screenshot right here of the QR code, put in the code 100 off. It'll shoot it to 49 bucks. And yeah, you can jump on that. Let me get out this for you. Where's that? Here it is. It's 100 off is the code, and it's tinyurl.com 2y24T58B. I'll paste it in there too. Where is that? Here it is. Chat. There you go. There's the link. Banged it right out for you. And you come right here, Swing Trade Newsletter. Here's the members access right here to the Google Drive that I was showing you right there. There's the link. Oh yeah, AHI picked that one from 53 cents. A lot of good winners. A lot of good winners. OPGN, big one. January close. Get started. Click. Boom. Come here. Add coupon code 100 off. Apply. It'll go to $49. Happy birthday, baby. Let's go. Best stock picks you'll ever be able to pick in your Robinhood, your Webull, your Schwab, your IRA. You'll be like the greatest stock picking guy on the planet now. Picks will come directly from me to your inbox every Sunday. I got 5 tonight, and you don't got to tell anybody they're from me. You can say they're yourself. You do your own research. Look at the ones I got tonight. You ready? Look at this. The one I have tonight, the first one. Whoa. I'm not going to show them to you. Has increased volume. It's trading 24.2 million shares. It's at 262. I'm looking for it to head up over 460 into $5. It's a 100% gain from where it's at. The next one is trading 52 million shares. It's at 9 cents. I'm looking for it to go through Heinz 10 cents, and head up to 20 cents for a break at 24. That's 200% gain from here. And it has the word air in the company name, air. I won't tell you what the symbol is, though. You got to join the newsletter to get it. The next one is trading 70.3 million shares. It's at 381, $3.81. Pure CANSLIM, going from a loss of $179 a share to a loss of 39. So that's a 5x growth, 500%. They only have 600,000 shares in the float. So if I sneeze some shares on it, it's traded 70 million. It's going to rip again this week. Last quarter, 95%, quarter before 83%, quarter before 217% increase, quarter before that, 28% increase. They've gone from 5 million to 10.7 to 10.8 to 11.5 million. They lost $95, they lost $31, they lost $20, they lost $8. The growth is unbelievable. And that one's ripping this week. The next one is right here. This one's the sickest. It's 12 cents, trading 64 million shares, going from a loss of $1.19 to a loss of 56, 100%. Last quarter, 393% increase in earnings and sales. The quarter before that, 63 cents. 63%. They're trading up 2,500% in volume at 64.8 million. It's at 12 cents, and they offer grid technology platform that enables electric vehicles to store and resell unused energy. I'll say it again. It offers vehicle to grid technology, a platform that enables electric vehicles to store and resell unused energy. Unreal, right? 12 cents per share. Expecting a move to 90 cents. It's 1,000% gainer. All coming out in tonight's Swing Trade newsletter. So if you want it, grab your phone, do that. You'll get those picks tonight. Let me show them again. The first one is a provider of software and hardware 5G networks and is a pioneer in open-end RAN solutions to vendors. It's trading 52.4 million shares. It's at 9 cents. You need to get that one. It's going to 20 cents and higher, I think. This next one manufactures custom designed fine mirrors, framed art, bathroom vanities, and in the hospitality market. It's traded 70 million shares. It used to be a $500 stock, and it's $3. The next one is a developer of predictive AI algorithms and optical technology that focuses on medical diagnostics. That's a freaking good one, too. And this one provides, it's up trading 4,000% in volume. It's at 23 cents. It's my favorite pick of the week. Listen. It's traded 461 million shares Friday. It's 23 cents. They're going from a loss of 30 cents to a gain of 4. They provide telecom connectivity infrastructure, connected calls, power banks, and EV charging installation. Traded 461 million shares, will be in tonight's newsletter, or don't be in it. Go search for the stock that traded 461 million and good luck. So let's go, Mojo. Thanks for watching the Swing Trade newsletter update. More trading coming next week, guys, which is tomorrow. Actually, I'll be trading at 6 p.m. tonight with my Apex futures. Looking forward to that. So yes, sir, guys. Thanks again for watching the show. ProTrader Mike signing off. Peace. Give me a like and a subscribe because I hooked you up with so much CANSLIM golden information that, hey, thanks for watching and subscribe.